Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and imaginative touring concepts to hit the road in recent years, the 2026 Honda Goldwing Trike Motorhome. This machine blends the legendary comfort and engineering of the Goldwing with the freedom of a compact motorhome, creating a whole new way to travel, explore, and live on the road. At first glance, the design is nothing short of futuristic. The front end keeps the unmistakable Goldwing identity, with its bold LED lighting, aerodynamic fairing, and premium touring stance. But as your eyes move toward the rear, the transformation becomes clear. Instead of traditional panniers and a passenger seat, you get a fully integrated trike platform supporting a compact motorhome module. The extra wheel adds stability, while the extended chassis allows for a surprisingly spacious living area without sacrificing the sleek, high-end look Honda is known for. Step inside and you quickly realize this isn't just a gimmick. The interior is thoughtfully engineered to maximize every inch of space. There's a convertible sleeping area that comfortably fits 1 or 2 adults, smart storage compartments built into the walls and floor, and a compact kitchenette with a sink, induction cooktop, and mini refrigerator. Climate control is another standout feature. The motorhome section comes with efficient air conditioning and heating, powered by an auxiliary battery system and supported by optional roof-mounted solar panels. This means you can stay comfortable whether you're camping in the desert heat or parked in the mountains on a chilly night. Honda clearly designed this with long-distance travelers in mind. Up front, the cockpit remains true to the Goldwing's luxury DNA. Riders get a large digital display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, advanced navigation with motorhome-specific route planning, and a premium surround audio system. The seat is wide, deeply cushioned, and heated, making long hours on the road feel effortless. Under the bodywork, the 2026 Goldwing Trike Motorhome is expected to use Honda's refined 1833cc flat-six engine, tuned for smooth torque delivery rather than aggressive performance. Paired with a dual-clutch automatic transmission, the ride becomes incredibly smooth and beginner-friendly for a vehicle of this size. Handling is where the Trike configuration truly shines. The dual rear wheels provide excellent balance when cornering and stopping, especially when fully loaded with gear and supplies. Honda's advanced traction control, electronically adjustable suspension, and combined braking system ensure that the bike remains predictable and safe in various road conditions, from wet highways to winding mountain passes. Safety has clearly been a priority. The Trike Motorhome includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, hill start assist, and a full suite of airbags for the rider and front passenger.